Alright, so as you guys know, social media and social networking are a huge part of not only SEO, but also just to promote your brand and drive traffic to your site. So you need some method to be able to quickly share whatever it is that you're doing or posting on your site to the major social networks. So there's a lot of things that we can use to do this, but one of the best ones that I've seen that I use is Addthis, and it gives you icons and text and buttons to quickly share your website content. And it's not limited to WordPress. They have Joomla components, they have standard just HTML you can insert in a static site, and it works really well. So if we just go to, I'm actually going to sign in. You don't need an account, but let's see. But it's good to create one because then you can see all your statistics and things like that. So if we go up to get the code and share buttons, and you can see there's an option over here to get sharing buttons for a website, Blogger, WordPress, email, newsletter. We're going to click on WordPress, and let's see, the easiest way to install Addthis is to log into WordPress and configure it there. Okay, so these instructions are for new folder. Okay, so log in, click on plugins. Alright, so it's telling us the best thing to do is to install the plugin. So if we go to plugins, add new, and search for Addthis. Okay, so share buttons by Addthis. We have follow buttons as well. So let's install the share buttons. We'll activate that. Okay, so step 7, to start setting up your new Addthis widget, click on the settings in the left sidebar. Okay, so we should now have Addthis share, and we have a few different options of how we want to display these things. We can have icons like this, we can have the buttons with the text, we can have small icons, another post. Let's just use the default icons. If we click on Addthis, now we can choose to show where we want to show these buttons. We can show them on the home page, pages, archives, categories, excerpts, clickbacks, address bar shares, copy text. There's just a lot of options here. We can integrate analytics. I'm going to choose pages, categories, archives. I just don't want it. Actually, yeah, we'll display it on the home page as well. Let's just see what's going on here. Okay. And you can see now down below we have our buttons at the bottom, and we have our icons at the top. And let's see, we can click on Facebook and we get this pop-up. So we could share this. I'm not actually going to share it, but you can write something about it. You can share it on a page. Alright, so if we want to share it on our Eduonics page, we could do that. Twitter, you can easily log in and post a tweet that'll link to the article. Pinterest, and then if you go hover over the plus button, you can see there's over 300 of these that we can share this on. This is extreme visibility. Just everything. So networks I've never even heard of. So this is a really important part of having a WordPress site if you're looking to drive traffic to your not only your website but your brand and business as well.